landing page and home base in EnGiNE is called My EnGiNE. From this page, you can navigate to the 4 major areas of EnGiNE. In addition, this page will keep you updated on the most recent activity in EnGiNE, quick access to the communities and groups that you have joined, and a quick link to your personal library of resources. If you click on My Communities, you will see that you have been automatically enrolled in one community called Announcements for the Greater Good. To join additional communities, you'll need to navigate to community forums using the link at the top of the page. If you would like to create a community forum, you can do so by clicking on Request a Community. To see all available community forums, click on All Community Forums. You can scroll through the list or search by keyword to find communities that you are interested in. If you find a community that interests you, click on the name. When you enter the community forum, you will see a description, have access to the members of the community, and the resources already shared there. On the right side, you will see all the activity in the community forum. Start a new conversation or share a resource by clicking Start a Post. In addition, you can respond to or join a conversation already in progress by scrolling down through the posts in the community forum. If you plan to return to this community forum, click Enroll. Once you are enrolled, this community forum will show up under your My Community Forums tab for quick and easy access. To return to My EnGiNE, click on EnGiNE. And you will notice that your outdoor education community forum is now showing up under My Communities. Collaboration groups are a way to connect with educators in real time. Navigating over to collaboration groups, you will again see My Collaboration Groups and Public Collaboration Groups. You can create a collaboration group by clicking here, or you can find collaboration groups to join by searching in this list. When you find a group that interests you, click on the name. The main feature of collaboration groups is the video conferencing. Click here to start the video conferencing. The nice thing about video conferencing in EnGiNE is that it is always here and ready to go. You do not need to set a meeting, you do not need to find a link, you do not need to send an email. If somebody would like to come to this meeting, they just come to this collaboration group and click on Start Video. The other features in the collaboration group are messaging the members and sharing resources. To access any of these features, you do have to join the group. Once you join, you see you have access to the messaging features and can now join a video call. We will now navigate back to My EnGiNE, your home base. As with the communities that you joined, if you navigate to My Groups, you will now see the groups that you've joined, which is an even easier way to access the video conferencing in these collaboration groups. Resource sharing is where Maine educators share and discover resources. Once you are in resource sharing, you may add a resource by clicking Add Resource. If you would like to search for resources, you can search in the search bar, browse recently added resources, or browse resources by topic. Click on a topic that interests you to see what resources are available in that area. If you find a resource that you like, mouse over the 3 dots and add it to your library. You can add it to an existing folder or create a new folder. To help keep your resources organized. When you return to resource sharing, you will now see that your new resource is under My Resources. Let's navigate back to My EnGiNE. Another nice feature of My EnGiNE is that your saved resources are accessible from this home page. Click on My Resources. Let's navigate to the folder we created called Outdoor Learning, and there is our new resource. The final area covered in this EnGiNE introductory video is called Learning Opportunities. Learning Opportunities is a link to the EnGiNE LMS called Moodle. If you click Learning Opportunities, you will be taken out of EnGiNE and into Moodle. You may notice a new tab at the top of your browser. Your landing page in Moodle is your dashboard. If you are looking for a course that you have been enrolled in, you may need to click on My Courses. Here you should see a list of all the courses that you are enrolled in. If you would like a course to show up on your dashboard, navigate to the 3 small dots, click, and then choose Star this course. That will ensure that this course will show up on your landing page, also known as the dashboard. To navigate back to EnGiNE from here, you have to click on the EnGiNE tab at the top of your browser.